Hi, my name is Amanda Becker, and today we will be recreating one of Jane Ashley's recipes called refrigerator cookies from her 1950s cookbook, Christmas Cookies. Some details surrounding this recipe book is it includes a variety of variations for people to try, with the 3 recipes that are provided, all of which is to promote the Canada Starch Company Limited through Crown brand starches, oils, and syrups. The use of Crown brand is crucial for the creation of these recipes, with the intent to sell Crown brand to create loyal customers. Although these recipes were intended for Christmas time to bring joy for the holiday season, I believe they can be used year-round. Ashley provides variations with the intent of pleasing everyone who comes over. She promotes early Christmas baking and to preserve these cookies properly in tightly covered containers. The recipe we will be recreating today is refrigerator cookies. However, we will not include any variations. For this recipe, we will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 baking soda, 1 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of Crown brand syrup, 2/3 brown sugar, 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of shredded coconut. An interesting fact about this recipe is that it uses shredded coconut. Personally, I found this very intriguing as I've never tried a shortbread cookie that contains this. It is important to note that this recipe yields for 60 cookies. And I would like to begin with showing you the first 3 dry ingredients, being 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda that I am currently mixing together. Next, I am placing butter in a bowl and beating it until it's soft and creamy, then adding Crown brand corn syrup and brown sugar and beating it until it is blended, as instructed by Jane Ashley. After stirring thoroughly, I will be then adding an egg and making sure to blend it well, adding vanilla and then coconut. After adding the coconut, we will then mix all the dry and wet ingredients together, and ensuring to mix it thoroughly. It is important to note after mixing this that you had to really put some elbow grease into it, as it was very hard to stir. After mixing all the ingredients together, it must be shaped into a roll that is about 2 inches diameter. The dough is soft, thus it should be chilled before shaping. It must be wrapped in wax paper and chilled for 2 hours or until firm enough to slice. Once your dough is chilled after 2 hours, it must be cut into thin slices with a sharp knife. It should then, after it is sliced, be placed onto an ungreased baking sheet and then placed in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Given that my stove heats up fairly quickly, we had to drop the temperature to 350 and put it in for less time, given that it did burn the first batch of cookies. However, once the cookies were done, they turned into this masterpiece. This is the moment of truth for Jane Ashley's refrigerator cookies. It's definitely sweet. It tastes very coconutty, given that there is shredded coconut. And it tastes more like a shortbread cookie. Honestly, it's pretty decent. It would definitely be a year-round treat, and I would suggest putting this with tea, as it would go pretty nicely with it.